Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the class. Let's continue the chapter Internet Services. Today's topic is e-shopping. So, let's start. E-shopping is electronic shopping and it refers to purchasing products and services online. Okay, so I don't think so that I need to explain you about e-shopping or in online shopping because all of you very well acquainted with the e-shopping because every single day you are ordering something new product from the internet, so you know what all the features you are getting from internet or from different websites where you can purchase your stuffs for personal use or for home use or daily use. Different things you can purchase from online. Every single thing you will get nowadays from online. People can purchase goods and services on the internet from the comfort of their homes or office. Yes or no? So what all the methods or process are there to purchase, how you can pay the bills, everything you know about the e-shopping, right? So online customers must have access to the internet and a valid method of payment in order to complete a transaction, such as a credit card, debit card, or services such as Paytm, MobiKwik. Then different are there, right? Many are there. So with that you can pay the money or you can purchase your product, right? Now let's talk about the e-reservation. Okay, what is e-reservation? E-reservation or e-booking is a computer reservation system or central reservation system CRS used to store and retrieve information and conduct transactions related to the travel, hotel or car rental or other activities. Okay, so this one also you are very well acquainted with this ticket booking for movie, and if you want to go somewhere for traveling, then also you are booking online only. Okay, if you are going by train, so e-reservation is there. So nowadays everybody they are not going in the railway station, or don't want to stand in queue. Okay, simply from the home only they are booking the tickets, whether it is a air ticket or bus ticket or train ticket or movie ticket. Everywhere they are hotel ticket they are booking from the home only. Okay, modern global distribution system GDSI typically allow user to book hotel rooms, rental cars, airline tickets, as well as the other activities and tours, right? Because of this modern global distribution system, people able to do their bookings from their respective homes. Now let's see about the e-governance. Okay, e-governance is the use of information and communication technology ICT in governmental function in order to provide services to the citizen and enable communication and exchange of information between different agencies of the government in a speedy and efficient manner. Okay, e-governance is used for information and communication technology for the governmental functions, such as it providing services to the citizen and enable communication and exchange information between different agencies of the government in speedy and efficient manner. Interaction between government and business enterprises are also made easier. Because of the e-governor, the interaction between government and the business enterprises also made easier. It ensures government to be transparent in its dealings, accountable for its activity, and faster in its response as part of a good governance. Okay, it is ensuring the government to be transparent in its dealings and accountable for its activities and faster in its responses as part of good governance. This is about the e-governance. E-groups, which are also referred to an online or web communities, allows people to share photos, events or messages. Okay, e-group means which is also referred as a online or web community which allows people to share photos, events or messages. It is a convenient means to get connected with old friends or new acquaintances. Okay, it is a very convenient way to meet or connect with the old friends or new acquaintance. E-group is a feature in many social network services which allows users to create, post and comment in forms of their interest. Okay, it is a social site or service which allows user to create post and comment in forms of their interest. According to the interest, it allows the people learned about each other through constant communication. Okay, people learned about each other through constant communication. The advantage of e-groups are that people can remain connected as long as there is an internet connection. E-group encourage shy people to speak up. Okay, it encourages shy people to speak up. Also, online discussion and documented unlike verbal communication and can be stored for a long time. Okay, online discussion and documentation unlike verbal communication, and it can be stored for a long time. This is about the e-groups. Now let's see about the social networking. Okay, so I don't think that I need to explain you about the social networking because you are using the social media, right? Still, let's see about social networking. Social networking sites allows user to create a public profile and create an online community of friends or connected with people having common interest. Okay, social networking site allows users to create a public profile and create an online community of friends or connected with people having common interest. It could also be used as a platform for business to expand or from famous personality like political leaders, film star to communicate directly with the people. Okay, it could be also used for the different platform for the business expand or famous personality like your political leaders or film star to communicate their fans with directly, right? So many social networking sites are there very popular like your Facebook, Twitter, your Google plus Instagram. Yes or no, these are the some famous social networking site, a popular networking site. People are using very vastly this one to communicate with new people, to know new people and new ideas. Okay, this is about the social networking. Cloud computing. Cloud computing technology lets you store and access data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. Okay, how it works? This cloud computing technology lets you store and access data and programs over the internet instead of your computer hard drive. Okay, instead of you storing the your information or data in your computer hard drive, you can store your information or data in cloud computing technology. Okay, the word cloud is another term for the internet. The word cloud is another term for the internet. Your Google Drive, Dropbox, okay, then Apple's iCloud are site using for this cloud technology. Okay, cloud computing is the process of storing information on a remote server and accessing the stored information through the internet. What is this process of cloud computing? It store information on remote server and access this stored information through the internet. Okay, now let's see some advantages and disadvantages of computing or cloud computing. First we will see the advantages. User can access their files from anywhere. Okay, a user can access their file from anywhere. There is no need to carry data on pen drive or external hard disk. There is no need of carrying their personal data or professional data on pen drives or external hard disk. Cloud store means you can store more than the actual computer or you are working on. Okay, cloud store means you can store more the data than actual computer you are working on. Okay, now it is easy to use and can be set up in a few minutes. It is very easy to use and it is very easy to set up. Within few minutes you can set the cloud computing. Okay, in cloud computing data remain secure. Okay, in cloud computing data remain secure. Now let's see some disadvantage of cloud computing. Since a third party controls the data, security is automatically a concern because you will store the data in a remote location or remote server, so security is automatically a concern. However, service providers do try to address this disadvantage by providing encryption, secure access and other safety measures. Whatever it may be, but the service provider, they try to address the disadvantage of this security threat by providing the encryption to data and secure access and other safety measures. Since your information is available to you over the internet, the danger that someone else may access it to also present. Okay, because this information is available in internet, so there may be a threat that someone else also use it because it is present in internet. However, password and the other form of security are used to protect the data. Now let's see the private cloud and public cloud. A private cloud hosting solution, also known as an internal or enterprise cloud. Okay, a private cloud hosting solution, also known as an internal or enterprise cloud, resides on company intract or hosted data center where all the data is protected behind a firewall. Okay, how they will protect your data? They will protect your data, okay, in a firewall. The company is responsible for maintaining the data and providing the security. Okay, the company will be responsible for the maintenance and providing the data security. But in a public cloud, data is stored in the provider's data center. The data is stored in the provider's data center. The provider is responsible for the management and the maintenance of the data center. Okay, this is about the public cloud. Now let's see the Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive is one of the most popular program using cloud technology. Okay, it is one of the most popular programs that using cloud technology. You can use Google Drive if you have a Google account. Okay, you can store your files securely and access them from any device using your Google Drive, such as tablet or smartphone. One can upload, download and store files in different formats such as your Word, Excel, photos, music, etc. Okay, in Google Drive, one person can upload, download and store the files in different formats such as your Word, Excel, photos and music, etc. These are the advantages of having a Google Drive, but you can use it if you are having a Google account. Okay, now let's see about the uploading file and folders in Google Drive. In Google Drive, you can also work online with Google's word processor, Google Docs, spreadsheet, Google Sheet and create presentation on Google Slides. Okay, as you can see that if you are using the Google Drive, you can use the Google word processor, Google Docs, spreadsheet, then Google Sheets and create presentation in your Google Slides. Okay, this is the advantage of having Google Drive. These documents can be shared with other people who can edit, view or comment on them. Okay, it can be shared with the people who can edit, comment and view the documents. It is also can be used to convert Microsoft Office files into Google or different formats. It is also used for the converting of Microsoft Office files into Google format or other formats. Okay, now let's see about the mobile technology. Mobile technology is the technology used for cellular communication. Okay, it is used for cellular communication. Mobile code division multiply access, your CDMA technology has evolved rapidly over the past few years. Okay, the CDMA technology has evolved rapidly over the past few years. A standard mobile device has changed from beginning a small two-way pager and to be a mobile phones, GPS navigation device, an embedded web browser, an instant messaging client, and a handheld gaming console. Okay, the smartphone is keep changing from the two-way pager to being a mobile phone. Now here you will get the GPS navigation, then it will enable the browser, instant messaging client and handheld gaming console. The feature of computer technology rests in mobiles. As you can see that the feature of computer technology rests in mobile computing with wireless networking. Mobile computing by way of tablet computers are becoming more popular. Okay, mobile computing by way of tablet computers are becoming more popular. Okay, tablets are available on the 3G 4G networks. Okay, these tablets are available in 3G and 4G networks. Now let's see about the SMS. SMS is a text messaging service component of mobile device system. It is a text messaging service component of mobile device systems. It uses standardized communication protocols which allows mobile devices to exchange short text messages. It is using the standardized communication protocols which allows mobile devices to exchange short messages or short text messages. This is about the SMS. Now let's see about the MMS, multimedia messaging service. Okay, what is multimedia messaging service? MMS is a standard way to send messages that include multimedia content to and from a mobile phone over a cellular network. It is a standard way to send messages that includes multimedia content and from a mobile phone over a cellular network. MMS is a popular way to share images, audio and video content easily and quickly. Okay, it is a popular way to share images, audio and video content easily and quickly. MMS is a store and forward method of transforming graphics, video, clips, sound files and short text messages over wireless networking using the WAP protocol. Getting? It is a store and forward method of transmitting graphics, video clips, sound files and short text messages over wireless network using the WAP protocol. Okay, this is about the MMS. Now let's see about the 3G, third generation. 3G is the third generation of wireless mobile technology or communication technology. Okay, the first 3G network were introduced in 1998 after 2G. Okay, the first 3G network were introduced in 1998 after your 2G network. 3G technology is used in wireless voice, telephonic, mobile internet access, fixed wireless internet access, video calls and mobile television. Okay, this 3G technology is used in wireless voice telephony, then your mobile internet access, then your fixed wireless internet access, then your video call and mobile television. 3G telecommunication network supports services that provide an information transfer rate of the speed of 0.2 Mbits or megabyte per second. Okay, this 3G telecommunication networks support services that provides an information transfer rate of at least 0.2 megabyte or Mbits per second. Now let's see about the 4G or fourth generation. 4G is the fourth generation of broadband cellular network technology. Okay, 4G is the fourth generation of broadband cellular network technology succeeding your 3G. The advantage of the 4G network or mobile network over 3G is the 4G networks have a much higher data transfer rate because of the increasing bandwidth. Okay, what is the advantage of having a 4G instead of 3G? 4G is having a much higher data transfer rate because of the increased bandwidth. A 4G system enable mobile web access, IP telephonic, gaming service, high definition mobile television, video conferencing and your 3D television. These all services you will get through your 4G communication. Okay, what are they? First is your mobile web access, second is your IP telephonic, then your gaming services, then your high definition mobile televisions, then your video conferencing, then your 3D television. All the facilities you will get through the 4G communication. Okay, this is the advantage of having 4G over your 3G. Okay, so what all the things today we learned? We learned about the e-shopping, then e-reservation, then your e-governance, then e-groups, then your social networking, then cloud computing, then advantage of cloud computing, then disadvantage of cloud computing, then private cloud and public cloud, then your Google Drive, then uploading files and folders into Google Drive, then mobile technologies, SMS, MMS, then 3G, then 4G. Here your chapter is over, so please go through the question answer and write it down. Okay, so till then, take care.